студиоზე яваажээ. Тэгээд миний хамгийн их төлөв болохоор би өглөө би ээжтэйгээ мол яваад энэ баяр пасаж авсан. Манай студио ээжтэйгээс студиод уулзсан байстай. Гэхдээ миний бичлэг гарахаар комментиг явахаар гэж бичээ байстай.
Сайн бацгаана хүүхдүүдээ. Чамтай танилцсан нэвтрүүлгийн маань энэ удаагийн дугаагаар маш онцгой нэгэн зочин урагдсан байгаа. Энэ зочин маань аль хэдийн Carnegie Hall дээр нэгч биш, бүр 2 удаа тоглолтоо хийсэн гэд бодоод үзтээ. She's got the moves, the dances and the Roblox skills and she has the sweetest heart too. Let's give a warm applause to welcome Minchqa Bimtarch. So nice to meet you, Minchqa. What a beautiful name.
Thank you.
And wow, who got you that dress? It's so sparkly and so pretty.
My mommy.
Your mommy. Well, your mommy has a great taste in clothes. Do you agree? Yeah. Maybe a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think she has great taste. So, Minchqa, do you have any siblings?
Yes. Sister, younger sister.
Younger sister? How old is your sister?
Basically 2 because her birthday is 3 days before mine.
What about one good thing about having a younger sister?
It's more chaotic than just a boring day. When she's sleeping and I've watched everything on YouTube, I get bored.
Okay. So she keeps you going and having fun together, huh? Let's take a look at a video that your parents sent us.
Oh no.
How did you feel when you first met your baby sister?
Confused.
Confused? What else were you thinking when you held her?
She was a lot lighter, but heavier than I expected.
Really? She's probably running around, chasing you.
Usually, I'm the one chasing her.
Okay.
I usually play with her at night when I'm supposed to sleep, but then that's when I have the most energy.
All right, Minchqa, we have another video.
Oh no.
Wow. Yeah.
No.
Every time I show up, 날 매일 check out 대부분이 날 가질 수 있다 착각될 때 나는 원치 않은 맘을 보내 난넌 지갑을 도려내 보여봐 아주 씩씩하게 대로 씩씩하게 so hot 내가 어쩔 줄 모르게 해 나지막히 보여줘 내 귓가에 도는 바람
видеонуудыг яг юу болж байна? Чи төгөлдрөөр дарж гин, ukulele бас дардсан байж тээ.
It's gone.
Тэнгүүдээ чиний dance move. Өөр яла.
I twerk.
Одоо чи ингэ видеонуудаа үзсэн чинь яаж чамд ямар сэтгэл төрсөн?
Basically embarrassed. Because why was I like?
You got some great moves, I will tell you that.
I don't think it's great.
So at 8 years old, you've already performed at the Carnegie Hall? Not once, but twice. Should we take a look at the video of your performance? Wow, that was so good. And you can just play by your memory, huh?
Yeah, that's my second time.
Who's this?
My grandma and grandpa.
When you played at the Carnegie Hall, your grandparents came to visit?
Yes.
How many songs can you play on the piano? Six.
But like 3 of them are baby songs.
When you first went to the piano club, whose idea was that?
It was my dad's idea.
It was your dad's idea?
I think it was my dad's idea. Because on a random day, my dad on the blue carpet said, Menchika, do you want to play the piano? And I said, yes. And then I started playing the piano.
Wow. And then who takes your videos for you?
School, it's gonna be my piano teacher because my parents are just waiting in the car. And at home, it's a mix of my mom and my dad.
Wow, so your whole family is rooting and cheering for you. What a great family, right? Let's give a shout out to the parents. Woo!
Yay!
Good job.
Except my little sister because she doesn't even know.
She doesn't even know yet.
She would dance to one of my songs, but then she stopped dancing for some reason. I don't know what.
Another surprise video for you. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is.
What's that?
Ready? Sure. Let's go.
Сайн байцгаана уу? Kairos Music Studio багш Солонгойд 2023 оны 7 сард Минжгоо шавтайгаа танилцаж анхны хичээлээ орж исэн. Одоо үүнээс хойш аль хэдийн 2 жил өнгөрсөн байна. За шавьяага хараад их цаваас сэргэлэн хурдан ойтой хөгжмийн нарийн мэдрэмжтэй хөгжмөнд хайртай охин байна гэж бодож исэн. Тэгээд анхны хичээлээс хойш 10 сарын дараа Чайковскийн Неаполитан дуу тоглоод Голденгийн олон улсын хөгжмийн уралдаанд амжилттай оролцож 2 дугаар байрын шагнал хүртэж өнгөн медалийн эзэн болсон байгаа. Тэгээд Минжгоо маань Carnegie Hall өргөдөж тоглосон ийм амжилттай. Яг үүнээс 1 жилийн дараа дахин өөрийнхөө амжилтыг баттгаад дахиад Carnegie Hall өргөдөж тоглосон. За тэгээд Минжгоо маань яг өөрийнхөө хүсэлтээр аав ээжтэй төгөлдөр хор сурмаар байгаагаа хэлж энэ хичээлд хамрагдсан сурагчдын маань тэгээд одоо л өөрийнхөө эхлүүлсэн зорилгодоо тууштай байж бас үүндээ амжилттай байгаагаар нь багш нь маш их бахархдаг. Тэгээд цаашдаа ч гэсэн өөрийнх нь зорж хүссэн бүх зүйл нь хамгийн сайхнаар бүрдэх болтугай гэж хамгийн том амжилтыг хүсье.
Yay! My teacher. When I first started playing, I played like dun, 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 dun. My friend teaches me that, and it was a very, 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 very baby song. And I want to say thank you to my teacher for teaching me all these songs and not leaving me in the middle of a song.
That's so wonderful. She taught you really well.
Yeah.
Minchko, do you want to play a game with me? It's called the lightning round, okay? There's a rule, 3 seconds, okay? When I ask you a question, then you have to say 3 things in 3 seconds. Ready? And like shake yourself. Get ready. All right, ready for the first question? Your favorite pet?
Dog, rabbit, cat.
Your favorite song right now?
I only
1, 2, 3. Okay, next one. What's your favorite emoji? Next one.
Okay.
Next emoji. All right. Your favorite snack?
Fritos.
Doritos. Your favorite color? 3.
Blue. Pink. Yellow.
Good job. Do you want to challenge me?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I'm nervous. Nervous.
Your favorite color?
Pink, yellow, blue, 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 blue. Blue. You got it?
I'm trying to find a hard one.
Oh, you're trying to find a hard one.
3 types of plants.
Tree, grass, flower. Does that work?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I pass.
3 types of flower.
Rose, lily, tulip.
Yeah. I was gonna say daisy, sunflower, tulip.
Daisy is pretty too, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite flower?
Daisy.
Daisy.
Tulip.
Tulip.
I like tulips more. My friend is obsessed with daisies.
What color?
Just like white and yellow.
Oh, and the tulips. See?
I like light blue and pink.
Minchko, what if you could be a superhero? Okay, who would you be, and why?
Is it supposed to be a superhero that's already a thing?
Whichever.
Oh, Teja.
Tell me more. I don't know that superhero.
You said it could be any superhero, so I picked the superhero I made.
You made a superhero?
Yes.
I would like to see that superhero.
It's just my friend. At school, I would make a story. It's called Powerful Girl, and the main character is my friend, and she's a superhero. And there's like a evil Martha villain person, and then Teje kills evil Martha, and then evil Martha Jr., the kid, comes, and then she's trapped in a coffin underground. Oh, no. But she has a emergency phone, and then she gets pushed into a well by the same person, and then yeah, it's too chaotic.
What your teacher friend in this story? What's her superpower?
I never gave her a superpower.
It's an interesting thought, huh? Are you gonna come up with one like
No,
off
because
the top?
she was a normal girl, and then she suddenly turned into super sassy baka. So I don't know what her superpower is.
She's just a sassy baka.
Yes. But then I know what the evil Martha villain has. She has like star hands. She can like throw stars. And then guess who evil Martha is? My other classmate.
Oh no! So earlier,
But she quit her role, and now I have to find a different person.
she quit. No, she cannot quit.
Yes,
Right? So who do you think is the lineup?
Sarah,
Sarah?
because she's weird and eats hair.
Very interesting.
Literally eats hair
Very, very interesting choice. So
and
earlier,
bites my shoulder, but I told her to stop.
yeah, that's a really good story. So Minchko, you came here with all the best and beautiful talents, looking so swell, so good, so beautiful, and so inspiring. And we're so happy to have you at our show today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This was our second episode of Chamta Tanilti. Thank you for joining us today. And up next, we have another guest who is so super talented, and you will be meeting them soon. Please join us next time. Bye-bye.